Yeah, I would definitely recommend Kinsta to pretty much anyone I come across. To be honest, I don't, and because they're like a good kept secret, I kind of don't want them getting out there and becoming too big because like they're so good now. In reality, like yeah, if I'm talking with another developer and they want recommendations on hosting, Kinsta hands down. It'll save you like headaches and all sorts of issues, and your clients are going to be super happy. So it's a no-brainer. So my name's Greg Hunt. I'm the co-owner and CTO of Modo. Especially myself as a CTO, I could focus on actually making cool products, working on our code bases, training the team instead of working half my day on bugs on the server or reaching out to our sysadmin to try and do this and do that. It's a substantial amount of time. And I think the key too is to like always know what you're good at. And just because like me and the team can do something in terms of like, configuring a server, doesn't mean we should be doing that. But we are really good at building and maintaining WordPress sites. So like that's where our focus is, and being able to rely on Kinsta to take that burden off of us allows us to really hone down our craft and like do the best that we can at that. When I started researching about them, they seemed really good. They really focused on the developer experience, which was amazing. They had all sorts of like all the tools that I kind of built and used myself. They already had like them built out and they're 10 times better, and like they work well. So yeah, it was kind of a no-brainer at that point. It was like a slightly more premium than doing it myself, but at the end of the day, I actually saved money by making that decision. Most hosting providers don't really think of are important that are actually really important, such as if you do have a stage site, well, you need to have it blocked or something, have some sort of authentication so that it's not open to the public. That happens all the time, and Kinsta really makes it easy with like a little basic authentication tool they have. There's a lot of little details that go into the whole process. Everyone usually has a cache. There's a lot of different types of cache, but they don't all behave so well. And I find with Kinsta, it's number one, it's a really powerful cache, so it's pretty aggressive, but you could still write your own rules and get around things and like clear it pretty reliably. So you don't run into like really weird edge cases with like, caching things that shouldn't be cached and stuff like that. So that's a really key component. One of our features in our maintenance package was we guarantee a certain page speed score, right? So, that's hard enough, but it's immeasurably harder when you're dealing with really bad hosts that the client might have provided you. So we literally can't do that because it just puts too much onus on us when it's not our problem. So we really settled in on Kinsta because like if you have a default installation of WordPress out of the box, it really flies. So one word I think to describe Kinsta would just be developer friendly.